Hey everyone, so today we are showing you the Fidget Toy Set and everything that you get in this collection. So let's open this up and show. Oh wow, this looks like a really fun collection. Look at all these little strings. These are the rubber worms. Look at all of these. Wow. So these are extremely stretchy. I mean, I can go the whole way out of camera. You also get the fingers, these toys. So there's a ball inside. It's actually a marble inside. So you get a ton of them. You get a ton of these, I believe they're either dinosaurs or chickens. Little sticky guys that go ahead and throw. So these, you would put your finger right inside the head. Let's see if we can do this. And then you pull it back, pull back by the body, and release. So those are a lot of fun. You get a couple of them. You get a miniature Rubik's Cube or Infinity Cube. And it actually comes with a little thing that you could have a chain on it. So that's nice. So this one you put together. And you got these. And we are just getting started. You get a pea pod. Oh, that's really cool. You got peas in a pea pod. And you just press them and they come out. And oh, they actually have faces on them. Well, that one doesn't. That one doesn't, but this one has a face. If I can get the camera to zoom in on. Look at that. That's cute. That's cool. More of those stretchy tubes. Looks like you got a maze. So there's a maze inside here. So there's a silver ball and you try to go through the maze. Looks like a squishy little sun. A squishy soccer ball for stress relief and to play with. Spiky balls. Now these aren't as squishy. These are more hard. Actually feels good squeezing it. Some more of these squishy little figures. So these you can just squeeze. Okay, let's pop that. Pull it out to show you guys what I mean when I say squishy. So these are cute little things. And they do bounce around. But you can squish them. So looks like we got some ring wire. We got a couple fidget spinners in here that go really fast. Some more squishy guys. Another maze. Looks like we got a squishy ball. And this is huge. Whoa! Check this out. Are you guys ready? This might be my favorite one. Whoa! That is so cool. We got a Squeezable Football. It's just a foam piece, a foam football. Looks like we got just a regular squishy ball. Oh no! Look at that. That is cool. That's really neat. Looks like, oh, let's see. Oh yeah, this is one of these games that you can just twist them into all kinds of shapes. And look at this. This is pretty cool. Looks like we got a gigantic, this is an actual real Rubik's Cube. Gigantic one at that. That's awesome. Looks like we got infinity connector. So you can make different designs and then connect them however you want. Some more of these balls. Another fidget spinner. Just different knickknacks in here. Another one of these where you push it in and you can make the colors however you want. Looks like we got two of these. It never ends. And you got a huge pack of stickers. So that's really cool. Wow. Overall, I honestly have to say this is the best kit I've ever seen. This would make anybody happy. Adult, child, teen. Just really cool.